This video today will explain how to create new table using another table in SQL, right? So let's start. Yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen. So I have written one insert into customer detail. Like no need to return this one. Sorry, it's written by mistakenly. So simply we have simple query to perform this operation. Like for example, customer. We have one table customer. Correct, copy and just paste here. Correct, and then check here. Correct, so here showing three record in this table name is customer, right? So right now my requirement is that like I want to create new table based on this table customer table, right? So why we need this like that? So mostly what happens, put that I'm working on a project and project have one table email, a list table that contain the for example 10,000 records. So in case we need same data in different tables, so simply we can create like that. In the below side the mention select star into, and the we can put here new customer table name, right? From customer table, and no need to add here any where condition, simply. Correct, so whatever data is present in customer, same data I want to move into the new customer. I want like, correct, just execute this query. So let's see, first I will show out like this queries, this table is present in database or not. Let's see, select star from, sorry, star form, right? So if you see here the message display in value object name new customer, right? So now it's a very simple easy query. So just execute this one, select star into new customer, this is a table name from customer, right? Execute this one. So if you see here the row affected successfully, 3 row. And now try to execute this table like that. So like new customer table has been created successfully and generate the data also, right? So it's a very simple and easy way generate a new table based on the existing table. Correct, so I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel.